that people like him are shocked that women are speaking up. They can't bear it. They can't tolerate it.
Yeah.
People like Mufti Ziai.
At home, we are tolerating too much from
No,
home.
they can't. They hate
Please
it.
stop it. Don't make jokes like that. No, what do you mean by talking? Don't take it lightly. What we are talking about. Don't treat this matter lightly. The central issue is equality. And the central issue is that women and Muslim women, and I celebrate women like Shazia Elmi and Zeenat Shaukat Ali, who are coming here and talking about the equality of Muslim women. I don't know what is fundamentally so wrong if I'm saying, why should a woman not have rights for triple talaq?
Let them give talaq to their husband. Let them talaq to their husband. Let us see.
What do you mean?
Let them try. Let them try.
Let us see.
Let them try. Let this two lady give talaq to their
Mr.
husband.
Shamsher, speak to them with.
Start with them.
Speak to them. Do not. I'm telling you, Mr. You stop there. If you want to treat it like a joke.
What joke?
You will not talk to women like that. You will not. You have no business making a personal attack on any of my panelists.
No.
You don't want to speak to them with respect.
Say that they will do talaq.
You essentially have a basic problem with any woman, and you are resorting. Mr. Shamsher Khan Pathan. Mr. Shamsher Pathan.
Nobody can play with the Sharia.
Mr. Shamsher Pathan, you are reducing it down to the lowest level of personal abuse against women, and you are making personal attacks on them. You are making personal attacks on them. You are making personal attacks on them because you are unable to respond to their points. You are making personal points on them. You will not respond in this frivolous manner.
You say that they
you will not respond in a frivolous manner. You will not respond in a frivolous manner. You will apologize to these women.
So let them do talaq.
No way to do
Let them start it.
Will you
Why
stop?
are you getting that thing that they should get right for triple talaq? Okay, start from them only. I am telling. What is wrong with it? Let them start from there.
Take off the mic and leave the show. Take off the mic and leave the show, Mr. Pathan.
This is not a way.
Take off. This is the way.
This is
You
not
are
a way you are talking to me.
Mr. Pathan, I'm telling you this.
This is not a way of talking
You
to
want
me.
to personally
I am
insult
talking to
my
the point.
panelists.
I am not talking in a personal
You want to
thing.
personally insult my panelists?
No, not at all. Not at
You have
all.
no business
They are-
attacking
they are
them personally.
insulting us.
They are not. They are making a
Idiotic,
point to
all these
you.
things
They are
they are
making a
insulting
point to you.
What point?
They are making a
I am
point to
making
you.
my point.
Mr.
I am
Pathan,
making
you
my
will either
point.
apologize to them or you leave my program.
What apologies?
Right now.
No.
Right now.
Listen one thing.
Right now, Mr. Pathan.
Listen one thing. I
I'm
will
telling you,
explain
Mr.
again.
Pathan, right now.
No, I'm not
You
going
have
to
no.
listen to you.
Then you leave the program.
No, I'm not going to leave it. Throw me out. How you can talk like this? You can't. You invited me.
I am asking
I'm not a
you-
great crusher here.
I am Mr.
I will not come to your program again here for
Mr. Pathan, you have no business to
want
personally
people
insult
who
any
talk
of my
to your
panelists. Mr. Pathan, I am telling you this for the last time. You made a personal comment against two women panelists. You said to them, Mr. Pathan, stop.
What is
You know, I've had it from you.
Yeah.
You have been talking like this now. It's not a joke. And many points of time I've had to try to have a civilized debate with you. You are incapable, Mr. Pathan. Mr. Pathan.
Let it be practical.
Mr. Pathan, you have no right to tell my panelists, and this is exactly what he said. And I think we heard you loud and clear there. Shazia, did you hear them?
Yeah.
He said to the two women panelists,
Let them reply.
You be quiet first of all.
Yes.
Don't behave like a joke on the program.
No, let
like
them
this.
reply.
You be quiet.
Listen to
Mr.
them.
Pathan,
Let them reply me on my statement. No problem. I listen. I will keep quiet.
Shamelessly sits on the program, refuses to leave when he's been told. And the point here is, the point here is, take it off.
You are just.
Thank you.
You are the people who just can dance on your tone. You don't know the reality to know.
Mr. Pathan, don't insult my panelists anymore.
I am just going out. Be with your program and be with your all thoughts. They are just supporting you. We are on the part. You don't have to listen to it.
Thank you.
It is always your say.
Thank you.
Whoever will dance at your tune, you just say, okay, right.
Mr.
Yes,
Pathan.
you right. Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, chalo.
Thank you. Thank you.